See children, if the distance between the points 3, minus 5 and x, minus 5 is 15 units, then the values of x are. So it's a question from distance formula. You know, distance between 2 points is given by the formula x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. And this distance is given as 15 units. Now, x1, y1, x2, y2 both are given, so you have to find out the value. So let us square both sides and at the same time we'll substitute the value. Let me put x as 3 and x1 as 3 and y1, x2 as x. So this will be 3 minus x the whole square plus y1 minus y2, which is minus 5 minus minus 5, which is plus 5. The whole square is equal to the square of it is 225. This cancels, it becomes 0. So 3 minus x the whole square is equal to 225. Taking square roots on both sides rather than expanding, take square roots on both sides. I can write this as 3 minus x the whole square or x minus 3 the whole square. So x minus 3 the whole square, and taking the root of it is x minus 3, which is equal to plus or minus 15. So therefore x is equal to 15 plus 3 or minus 15 plus 3. So the answer is either 18 or minus 12. So the answer is B, 18 or minus 12. See children, if cos of alpha plus beta is equal to 0, then the value of cos of alpha plus beta by 2. It's a very direct question. Cos of alpha plus beta is equal to 0 implies alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degrees. Because you know cos 90 is 0. So what will be alpha plus beta divided by 2? Isn't it 45 degree? You're dividing by 2. Now what is asked? You need the value of cos of alpha plus beta the whole divided by 2, which means we need the value of cos 45 degrees. What is cos 45 degree? The answer is 1 by root 2. So the option is A. Now see children, a solid sphere is cut into 2 hemispheres. The ratio of surface area of sphere to that of 2 hemispheres taken together is. Now let us just see this through this figure. There is a sphere and this sphere is cut into 2 hemispheres. Let me just take the 2 hemispheres. One is this and the other one is this. So this sphere has been now cut into 2 hemispheres. What is asked? You need the ratio of the surface area. Now what is the surface area of a sphere? Surface area of a sphere is, you know, it is 4 pi r square. Now, what is the surface area of a hemisphere? The surface area of a hemisphere will be, it is this curved surface which is half of 4 pi r square, 2 pi r square plus the base which is a circle which is also pi r square. So it is 3 pi r square. This is surface area of a hemisphere. So there are 2 hemispheres, so it becomes 6 pi r square. What is asked? Ratio. Ratio of what? Ratio of the sphere, which is 4 pi r square divided by the surface areas of the 2 hemispheres, which is 6 pi r square. So the answer is 4 by 6 or 2 by 3. So therefore the answer is 2:3. So the option is C. See children, the middlemost observation of every data arranged in order is called. This is nothing but purely the definition of a median. What is median? Median is the middlemost number when observations are arranged either in ascending or descending order. So the answer is B. By the way, what is mode? Mode is that number that occurs maximum number of times. And what about mean? Mean is the average, which is obtained by adding all the observations divided by total number of observations. Deviation is totally a different term. Okay? So children, see this one. The volume of the largest right circular cone that can be carved out from a solid cube. So see, you're carving out a cone from a solid cube. Just I take this as a cube. Now from this cube, we are going to take the largest cone possible. So when you take the largest cone, it is clear that the height of that cone will be nothing but the edge of the cube, which is 2 centimeters. And the diameter of the base of the cone will be also 2 centimeter, or in other words, the radius will be 1 centimeter. Now what is asked? The volume of the largest cone. So what's volume of a cone? It is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So this is equal to 1 by 3 pi into r is 1. So into 1 into h is 2. So the answer is 2 pi by 3 cubic centimeters. So the option is D.